Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. This is a DT based video on the sand casting result. So the DT based video is first thing you will see the empathy. Next one, define, ideate, prototype, test. So empathy is what the need for to have the study of this one. So this is sand casting result. So we see many other parts in the mechanical one has been cast from the overall end, it will be cast into a part surface.
Yes, sir.
So for that purpose, we are this DT based video. On this DT based video, the purpose of it is we have to study about what is the need for sand casting, I told you, and what is the define, what is the methods are there. So in this, here we are going to see about the practically how to do this.
Yes, sir.
So before we are entering the subject, we see about the inform about the tools. So this will be there will be two boxes will be there. One is the bottom is the drag box, the upper one is the scope box.
Okay.
First of all, we see the scope box will be lifted here, and in this scope box we have to first of all we keep the drag box itself in the upside down itself. Upside down, so that this will be tilted here. How it has been put here, tilted, and here the imagine this as the drag box. If it has been tilted, first the pattern will be fixed here. So here we see it's a gear pattern made up of wood. So first the pattern is placed here. After pattern is placed here, we have to pour the green sand into it. So now the sand is all dry sand itself. But earlier, if you have to do it, it must be as with the moisture content with that. So the water will be added and moisture content. So it will be as a sticky pattern. It will be added in the drag box with the help of the shovel itself. So shovel itself. So after loading it, by using of this rammer, this one is rammer, both are known as rammers only. The diameter will be thicker than the smaller size. To our sufficient, to our comfort, we can have to ram it all the sides such that it tightly fixes to it. Once it is fixed, the drag box will be tilted here. So what happens? The pattern comes, the pattern comes on the top, which has been placed in the drag box in the down. When it's tilted, it comes to the top surface itself. In the top surface, again we will be placing this scope box on top. Here there will be a true alignment pin such that it will be matched properly.
Yes, sir.
After placing it, we say there is a runner and riser. So runner will be located apart from the pattern itself.
Yes, sir.
Whereas riser will be placed on the top of the pattern itself.
Okay, sir.
Again, the sand from the green side will be poured inside with the use of the shovel. Then again ramming will be done there, and after ramming is done there is a strike of bar there. But before that, before we are keeping the box here, we have to pour a dry sand over it. Before pouring the dry sand, this is below. We will be the air passing is compressing air manually.
Yes, sir.
So that it will be removing all the dry sands, and on top of that there will be parting sand will be poured.
Yes, sir.
For need of okay, then this drag box will be kept and gutter riser will be kept. The rammer will be ramming it, and excess sand will be removed by the use of striker bar. Striker bar, when you are moving it here, what are excess sands will be removed?
So need of quantum.
What is it?
Need of what?
Need of 40s, need of 40 cent. The need of 40 cent is after everything is finished, when we are taking the parcel, you must remove the drag pattern also. So that while pouring the mold must be so without the parting sand, it will be the fixing it, the drop box and this will also be fixing here.
Yes, sir. Sir, why the pattern has been wood material?
Pattern may be wood or else aluminum only. So it was a weightless itself. So that while removing it, you can remove it easily.
Okay, sir.
If it is made of a casting of iron, it can be removed and it will be removing the stands also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And any notes for yourself?
Sir, okay. What are the time duration of this process?
So this molding everything is pouring the sand depends upon the magnetic process only. After that, when the casting is poured, we will leave it about 6 to 8 hours for the cooling period. Okay. After cooling period, we will take out both the boxes and we will remove the sand, we will get the casting part. So 6 to 8 hours is the cooling period for the casting to be solidified. And here also, this is not single piece pattern. And similarly, when the suppose this trowel will be used, trowel and snakes will be used to cut the gate cutter also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, with this we are completing the sand casting.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.